What if I told you that one AI company just landed Google and NVIDIA as new customers, grew its government business by nearly 70%, and is on track to hit profitability, all in a single quarter? Today, we're breaking down the 10 most important takeaways from Veritone's Q1 2026 earnings call, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this company believes it's sitting at the center of the AI revolution. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 10, we're talking about a massive shift in the AI landscape itself. Veritone's CEO Ryan Steelberg opened the call by framing the company's entire strategy around one central idea: the AI economy and the data economy are now converging at scale. The world's largest tech companies are pouring hundreds of billions into AI infrastructure, and they all need one thing: high-quality training data. Veritone says it's positioned squarely at the intersection of both sides of that equation. Number 9 is a product announcement that could change who Veritone sells to. The company is launching an expanded, more self-service version of its digital media hub platform. Previously built for massive enterprise clients like CBS News and the NCAA, the new version will be accessible to small businesses, marketing departments, city governments, schools, and even individual creators. Management says this dramatically expands Veritone's addressable market without sacrificing margins. At number 8, full-year guidance of $130 million to $145 million in revenue was reaffirmed. That represents approximately 49% year-over-year growth at the midpoint. Management was clear that this guidance is supported by a robust and growing pipeline, and they expect revenue to build sequentially every quarter through the rest of 2026, with the biggest ramp coming in the second half of the year. Number 7 is the most important financial milestone Veritone has discussed in years. The company is targeting operating profitability as early as Q4 2026. Management emphasized that this target doesn't depend on aggressive growth assumptions. Even under moderate revenue scenarios, the operating leverage built into the AIware platform is expected to get them there. Number 6 is how they're making that profitability target more achievable right now. Veritone announced a proactive plan to cut operating expenses by up to 30%, targeting execution by the end of Q2 2026. This isn't just cost-cutting for survival. Leadership framed it as optimizing the business so growth revenue drops more directly to the bottom line. Number 5 is the near-term VDR pipeline, which stood at nearly $70 million as of the earnings call. To put that in context, CFO Mike Zemetra noted it's up over 150% from mid-2025 guidance and more than 500% from a year ago. The company also flagged over $20 million in active deals that could close in Q2 alone, making next quarter potentially one of the best in company history. Number 4 is a major content partnership that signals Veritone's growing role in media monetization. The company announced a collaboration with the Washington Post to help unlock and monetize the outlet's news archive through Veritone's licensing and AI data solutions platform. It's the kind of blue-chip brand win that validates the company's commercial enterprise strategy and feeds directly into the VDR data supply ecosystem. At number 3, we have the Oracle partnership, which management described as a genuine game-changer. The multi-year strategic agreement will initially deliver over 20% savings on compute costs for Veritone, come with non-dilutive cash incentives, and open up co-selling opportunities across Oracle's enterprise and public sector customer base. Veritone is already working toward moving major workloads to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure with an initial target of early August. Number 2 is the 69% year-over-year growth in the public sector business. The company is live with the Defense Logistics Agency, deepening integration with Air Force OSI, and seeing traction with the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Energy's Project Genesis. Management is targeting 60% to 70% public sector growth for the full year, with an even steeper ramp expected in 2027 as larger DoD rollouts come online. And the number 1 most important takeaway from this earnings call: Google and NVIDIA are now signed customers of Veritone's data refinery platform. These deals, which had been delayed from Q4 2025 into early 2026, are now active and generating orders. Combined with existing customers Amazon and Meta, Veritone now counts all 4 of the largest AI hyperscalers as VDR clients. That's the kind of customer validation that speaks for itself, and it's why management believes the VDR business is just getting started. That's your countdown of Veritone's top 10 Q1 2026 earnings takeaways. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more earnings recaps just like this one.